Everything flows and nothing abides. The only constant in life is change. Character is destiny. Nature loves to hide. You cannot step into the same river twice. War is the father of all things. The soul is dyed the color of its thoughts. The way up and the way down are one and the same. Opposition brings concord. The hidden harmony is better than the obvious. Those who are awake have a world in common. To do the same things and expect different results is insanity. The world is an ever-living fire. A hidden connection is stronger than an obvious one. Time is a game played beautifully by children. Eyes and ears are bad witnesses for men if they have souls that do not understand their language. The beginning of wisdom is to call things by their proper name. The way of the soul is upward and downward. The sun is new each day. Everything has its opposite. Nature is wont to hide herself. You will not find the boundaries of soul by traveling in any direction. The people must fight for their law as for their walls. Every step forward is preceded by a step backward. You cannot discover new oceans unless you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. The world is in a constant state of becoming. Those who seek for gold dig up much earth and find little. A man's character is his fate. Seek wisdom, not knowledge. The way downward is the way upward. The sun will not rise tomorrow without your assistance. You are not just a drop in the ocean, you are the entire ocean in a drop. Everything is in flux, nothing is permanent. It is in changing that we find purpose. Wisdom is hidden in the depths of the soul. The path to enlightenment is through self-discovery. Strife is the father of all things. You cannot understand the whole without understanding the parts. The world is a harmony of opposites. Fire is the ultimate symbol of transformation. The wise man learns from everyone, the fool from no one. In the midst of chaos, find stillness within. Nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished. The way is long and difficult, but the reward is great. The world is like a river, constantly flowing and changing. Your character is determined by your actions, not your words. To know yourself is to know the universe. The greatest lessons are often found in the darkest moments. Change is the essence of life. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.